All right, here we go. It says solve x cubed minus x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 0 using your graphing calculator. I'll sketch the graph and determine any local maximums or local minimums. So I'm going to bring our calculator up here. And I've typed the graph in, or the equation in already, and set it equal to y, because we're going to graph it. So hit graph and there it is. So we've got to figure out where our local maximums and local minimums are. And actually I want to take this chance to show you how to find your roots as well. And they're all the tools are in the same function, but so I'm going to hit second, then calculate. That will give me this option. And let's find the zeros first. The roots or your x-intercept. So there's that, and hit enter. And we've got to kind of trap the root that we're looking for. So first we go to the left of it, then to the right of it, and don't guess, just hit enter again, and it shows us that it's at -2, 0. And you might have a different y value here, something like e to the negative blah blah blah. You realize that you've got a root anywhere that y is equal to 0, and the calculator is just getting you a number that's very close to 0, but again just an approximation of that. And so anyways, here's our graph. Our first root is at x equals -2. So roots are x equals -2. And what are the other ones here? We'll do that same thing again. So second, calculate, find our zeros. This time I'm going to trap my next one. I got to make sure I only trap one root at a time. Otherwise, the calculator can't figure that out, what we're trying to do. And again, I wouldn't do a guess. Just get whatever you can. So this one's going to be 3.8. Or sorry, 0.38. 0.38. And our last one is at, so it's the left of it, oops. Find our 0, get to the left of it, get to the right of it, and it's going to be at 2.62. So the last one's at 2.62. So now we know where our roots are at. Our local maximum, let's go ahead and find that one now. So our local maximum is going to be right over here. But let's find out exactly where it's at. So we got to go to the maximum tool. There, maximum, and go left bound. Then right bound. And our local maximum is going to be at, looks like -1, 5. So local max at -1, 5. And our local min is going to be at, let's go and find that one now, local minimum again to the left and to the right. And so local minimum is going to be 1.67 comma -4.48. So it was 1.67 and -4.4 was 8. -4.48. All right. Hope that helped.